talk about a great way to accent a wall. So this is a really cool three-dimensional way to create some drama on a wall. So this is actually a wood treatment, and it makes the wall look very three-dimensional, and I like it because it's another effect that you can use to create some drama in a room, or highlight a room, or highlight a wall instead of like wallpaper or anything like that. So this is a great alternative. It looks three-dimensional, and it kind of, if you can see, it has like different levels. So this is actually like wall right here, and then this is the wood. And so this wall treatment is a different way, and you can do it on a main wall, in a bedroom, a dining room, a nursery wall, anything like that where you're wanting to highlight a wall. So I have a wonderful contact who can do this for you. So if you're wanting to get this wall treatment done, let me know and I can send you his information. And that is Fancy Fridays for today. I hope everyone's living just fancier.